So student, today we will perform the experiment of an energy meter, means to calibrate the single phase energy meter at unity power factor. So first of all, why we will perform this experiment? Before going why we will perform this experiment, please look here. This is an energy meter. You will see here it is written that is 10 to 40 ampere 375 revolutions per kilowatt hour AC single phase 2 wire kilowatt hour meter. So first of all, that means that is 10 to 40 amperes, that is the rating of this energy meter. Means this energy meter is only applicable to 40 ampere current. 375 revolutions per kilowatt hour means when a disc, this is a disc which you will see, when this disc rotate 375 revolutions, then the energy consumed is 1 kilowatt hour, and 240 volt 50 hertz it is rating. So in this experiment we have to calibrate this energy meter, means we will record the energy by putting some load on this energy meter. We will putting some resistive load here. So by putting resistive load, we will record the voltage, current and time for these revolutions and calculate the energy. And we will compare this calculated energy with the actual recorded energy from 375 revolutions per kilowatt hour. So first of all, kindly look into this circuit diagram. This is basically the energy meter. So we have 4 points for this energy meter. These 2 points are input and these 2 points are the for output. So we will apply a 230 volt AC supply through variac to the input port. From the output of this energy meter we will connect a voltmeter in parallel with this output port. From voltmeter terminal 1 we will connect an energy meter. We will connect an ammeter. From ammeter second terminal we will connect, this is a resistive load terminal L, and this is the resistive load terminal N. From N terminal we will connect second point to the voltmeter. So see here, these connections are here. This is the variac. This variac is connected to the input port of this energy meter. From output port, these 2 wires are connected to the voltmeter, and from this voltmeter one wire goes to the ammeter, and from ammeter this wire goes to the load. This is your resistive load. Okay, that is a resistive load 5 kilowatt. This terminal goes to L, and from N terminal this wire goes to the voltmeter. So this is our connection. So while performing this experiment, we will first of all vary the voltage till the voltmeter shows the 230 volt. So here the voltmeter is basically shows the 230 volt. When this voltage is 230 volt and we are putting only no load, so first we will put some load on this 500 watt load is putting on this energy meter. So we will record this voltage. You will see the voltage is down. So we will record this voltage. This is V, and record the current I. So this is current I, reading of I. This is the voltage V. Now you will see the disc of this energy meter is rotating. Okay. So when you will see a red point here in disc here, so you will start the counting the number of revolutions and note the time for this revolutions. So we will basically record the time for only 10 revolutions. When 10 revolution of disc is rotated, we will note the time in second. So this is our first reading. So continuously we will put another load, second load. So again we will record the voltage for second load, record the current, again record the time for the number of revolutions. So we will perform this experiment by putting the different loads and record the reading of voltage, current and time. So after recording this reading, this is our table. So we will record voltage, current and time. Then we will calculate actual energy, and by using this formula we will calculate the recorded energy. The recorded energy is 1000 into 3600 into n. N is the number of revolutions. Here n is the number of revolution is 10. So we will get 375 is the energy meter constant, that is 375 revolutions per kilowatt hour. So and we will calculate error, that is actual energy minus recorded energy divided by actual energy into 100. By this way we will calibrate our energy meter. Thank you.